Hello, this is Daniel WordPress. I want to walk you through a popular, what should be a popular model for creating a membership site. It has two levels, free and gold. And the free level you give in exchange for an email opt-in, and the gold level you give after either a one-time payment or a recurring payment. So first of all, when new visitors come to your site, they either go to a landing page, which has a specific call to action, or they end up at a home page. In WordPress, a landing page could be an actual page rather than a post. And pages, you have the option of basically eliminating the sidebars or navigation, so you can make a pretty decent landing page that has a specific call to action. And the call to action might be opt in for a free report or a free video or a mini course on whatever your niche topic is. If they land at the home page, I've had a lot of luck using sticky posts to explain the site and provide a call to action. So that it might be more of a general sales letter or post, and I just have it stick right up at the top. At any rate, once they get to that landing page or the home page, if there's no action, you could try putting in a link that says, no, I'm not interested in this, and then send them to a page where you do a downsell or you give them some affiliate links or show AdSense or something like that. Otherwise, they would bounce. But once you do get an action, either from a landing page or a home page, then you've got them on a list. And I want to point out that this subscriber list, the first one is your prospect list, and the second that I'll get to in a minute is your buyers list. So, okay, so let's scroll down here a little bit. After they opt in, the two things happen. It branches out here. The first is that they start on an autoresponder sequence. And as long as they don't unsubscribe, they just keep getting this autoresponder sequence. And there are a lot of different tutorials out there about how to set these up, how long they should be, how frequently you should send messages, and so on. So I won't go into any of that. If they unsubscribe, I always suggest trying to send them to a thank you but before you go type sales page, where you try to get them one last time to take some action. The other thing that happens is the first welcome message from this autoresponder sequence directs the subscriber to a registration page, and this is just the default WordPress subscription page or registration page. And once you've installed the WordPress or the MemberWing plugin in WordPress, you can configure WordPress to give each new user the role of a bronze member. So that any content you provide on your site that is specific to members can be concealed underneath a bronze symbol. And there's another video on my blog somewhere that'll show you how to do that. So there's okay, after they've registered, so they've ended up on your prospect list, and they have access to the free member content. The focus of each message in your autoresponder sequence should be to consume some of the content, some of the free content that's on your site. And the reason is that the free content on your site should be a preview of the best parts of the membership content. And it's always followed by a call to action. So if you've got a 40-minute video interview that's part of that, you might take the best 5 minutes out and put that in the bronze level membership. So you're giving them some video content, whereas somebody coming to the site without being a member wouldn't get any video content. And at the end of that, it says to see the rest of this video, or to fill in the pieces or the blanks, sign up for our full membership. So the autoresponder sequence directs them to consume the free content, and then as they consume that free content, you give them a call to action each time. Now, they can just keep going through this loop and consuming all of your free content, which would be fantastic, especially if it's good. If they decide to upgrade to the premium content, then a couple of things happen. They go to checkout via PayPal, and using MemberWing's automation, they're automatically subscribed to the buyers list, and the user gains full premium access. And provided that their monthly payments continue and they don't cancel their subscription, they can keep getting that forever. If they unsubscribe or cancel their subscription, again, give them another thank you sales page. And that's it.